welcome back, home decor lovers. Today, we are diving deep into the art of sustainable living and budget-friendly interior design by transforming discarded household items into breathtaking rustic decor. High-end rustic farmhouse style doesn't require a massive budget or expensive showroom shopping. Instead, with a little creativity, power tools, and upcycling techniques, you can turn forgotten trash into high-value treasure that instantly elevates your living room, kitchen, or entryway aesthetic. Our first trash-to-treasure transformation starts with standard shipping pallets, which you can easily source for free behind local stores. By carefully disassembling the pallet slats, sanding down rough edges, and applying a rich, warm walnut wood stain, we construct a textured geometric wall feature. This piece adds depth, warmth, and organic character to any bare wall, effortlessly competing with designer home accent pieces that cost hundreds of dollars online. Next up, we are rescuing discarded scrap wood and empty glass sauce jars to build a timeless rustic dining table centerpiece. After assembling a simple wooden trough box, we give it a distressed vintage look using white chalk paint and dark wax techniques. Pop in the recycled mason jars filled with seasonal greenery, eucalyptus stems, or faux wildflowers, and you have created a charming, cozy farmhouse centerpiece for a fraction of retail cost. Before you throw those coffee tins or soup cans into the recycling bin, consider giving them a modern farmhouse makeover. By applying textured spray paint, aged copper patina, or wrapping them in natural jute twine and burlap, these basic metal cans transform into high-end rustic planters. They look incredible displayed on kitchen windowsills, open shelving, or outdoor patio spaces, proving that affordable home styling is all about creative details. Old, rickety wooden ladders left sitting in basements or garages are goldmines for antique rustic home styling. Instead of tossing them out, we gently sand the wood to retain its weathered patina, treat it with protective matte varnish, and lean it against the wall. This simple, stylish ladder serves as an eco-friendly organizer for plush bath towels, cozy living room throw blankets, or decorative quilts, bringing authentic warmth to your home interior. Glass recycling bins are filled with potential statement pieces, especially empty wine and glass beverage bottles. By applying a textured stone finish spray or a matte black metal coat, combined with subtle gold leafing on the rims, these bottles transform into elegant, antique-inspired candle holders. Grouping them in sets of 3 creates a sophisticated focal point for your mantel, dining table, or patio seating area on cozy evenings. Woven storage baskets are home decor staples, but brand name versions can quickly drain your home improvement budget. By cutting down ordinary cardboard shipping boxes, lining the inside with soft cotton fabric, and tightly wrapping the exterior with natural jute rope, you create high-end storage bins. These budget-friendly baskets keep your closets, bathroom shelves, or living space organized without compromising on that cozy, organic rustic aesthetic. Don't throw away leftover construction lumber or cut-offs from previous woodworking projects. We can take those heavy scrap boards, sand them smooth while preserving their natural grain knots, and apply a deep wood stain. Mounted with industrial black iron pipe brackets, these heavy-duty floating shelves offer sturdy, stylish wall storage for books, plants, and family photos, creating that coveted custom built-in look for pennies. Achieving an expensive-looking rustic aesthetic relies heavily on balancing natural textures, warm wood tones, and neutral color palettes. When working with upcycled materials, try combining matte finishes, distressed paint layers, woven natural fibers, and dark iron accents. This balance keeps your DIY projects from looking like cheap crafts, giving them that refined, curated look seen in professional interior design magazines and home staging tours. The secret to high-yield home decor flips is knowing where to source free or extremely cheap raw materials. Keep an eye out for bulk trash days, local online freebie groups, flea markets, thrift stores, and estate sales. Items that look hopelessly outdated or damaged, like broken chairs, old picture frames, or scratched wooden crates, often need nothing more than fresh hardware, sandpaper, and a coat of paint to shine again. Upcycling trash into treasure isn't just about saving money, it's an impactful way to embrace sustainable living and reduce landfill waste. Every piece of furniture or decor item you reclaim keeps natural resources from being wasted while giving your home a unique narrative. Guests won't just compliment your gorgeous living space, They'll be amazed when you tell them the story of how you built it out of discarded materials. Thank you so much for joining me on this 7-project trash to treasure journey. I hope these creative rustic DIY ideas inspire you to look at everyday trash through a completely new, creative lens before throwing it away. If you loved these budget-friendly home decor ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for weekly design inspiration, and comment below with your favorite project from today's video.